It's now time for fun, professional, and classy hosting. Please welcome the Master of Ceremony, the spontaneous host, Host Efren Olaso.
What a beautiful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Tonight, we are celebrating a life, love, and union for our dearest Sam and Clarence. And to all of their guests, maraming salamat po for joining us until this far. Hopefully po lahat kayo makasama namin until the rest of the program. So once again po, this is host Efren Olaso. I traveled all the way from Pasig just to be with you tonight. And it's an honor for me po na makasama kayo and celebrate this wonderful union for Sam and Clarence. Now, para po malaman ko if everybody is ready, how about we start this evening with the biggest round of applause? Marinig naman po ng palakpakan na may sigawan. Maraming